Like if Danielle got good at handling him, he has, yeah. He could run, I mean, he wouldn't have time to bark, yeah. But he pulls off too, right? Yeah. So you have to, work him a few times. But yeah, it's just, if he's got time, right? Time on his hands, yeah. See, what are we doing next? Oh, this is so much fun. Tell me. Yeah.
Ready? Here's the job. Yeah, good girl. Over. Yes, good girl. Over. Yes, good girl.
Hang on.
Oh, yes, good girl.
So you hold her, because she hasn't been on it since.
Ready? Show Daddy how it's done. See? Girl,
Yeah, she looked off the side. So you see how you're